Hey, welcome everybody to another video. For this video, we're going to be making a kitten puzzle, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a bigger size sublimation project with a printer that is limited in the size you can print. Now, what you got to do after you get your design all made up is you got to open it up in Photoshop, and there's this option in the print settings where you go in and you select your printer, you select the quality that you want, and then there is this multi-page section here where you're going to change it to however many pieces you need so that it fits the sublimation blank. For this puzzle, I'm going to turn it into a 4-page printout where it's going to make the picture bigger and print it out on 4 pieces of paper. So I picked, that is the 2x2 poster that I'm going to select. As you can see here in the print preview, and when you're doing projects like this, always check print preview so you can see how it's going to print out. And it's showing you right here the 4 different pages of what and how it's going to print. So you can go over and you can click each page to check each one out. Now once you have that all done and it looks great, it looks just like you want it to, click print, and then you're going to print it out. I'm also going to print out the image on the size of the puzzle box and how many pieces and the title of the puzzle so I can decorate the puzzle box. So I printed that out and cut that out, and I printed out the 2x2 poster for the puzzle. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut all of the white border around and the inside of it, and you're going to tape it together just like I show you here. You're going to tape all 4 pieces together, make sure they're all lined up so there's no white in between the pieces, and then you're going to tape it down onto your sublimation blank. And once you get that all done, you're going to press it through your heat press. Now if your sublimation blank is bigger than your press, you're gonna have to do a couple presses to make sure that the whole thing gets pressed properly. So once I've got it all taped down and lined up right, I run it through the press. So that's me going through all of the steps for making a puzzle and how I print out projects that are bigger than the size of my sublimation printer. The picture came out amazing. The puzzle looked awesome. It looked clear. The colors turned out so great. The colors turned out so amazing. I'm so happy with the turnout of the puzzle.